Okay guys, welcome back to part 3 of this tutorial guide for the Figma prototyping kit. In the last video we did the hero block, and next up we're going to do the sidebar. So if I just go to the layers panel on the left hand side here, you can see at the minute it's all expanded. If you hit Option or Shift and click, that will collapse everything inside of it. And now when you open it back up, you've got everything compressed there, so you can kind of dig down into it easier. Yeah, so basically done the hero block. Next we've got the container, and that's got everything, including the body and the sidebar inside. And if you open the container, it's got a row in it, and it's kind of configured just how a web page would be structured. And then we've got 2 columns, 1 body and 1 sidebar. As you can see, the body is just a standard element. The sidebar is a component, so that means we can click on it and we can begin to start configuring it. So basically it's got, by default, it's got 3 elements in there. One's called page content, which is this block that you can turn on and off. Other is related links, which is that one at the bottom, and the middle one is the CTA panel. You can turn them on and off. So first thing I'm going to do is go to the page content one. You can do that either by holding down Shift, I think, to click into it, or you can just go into the sidebar on the left, toggle that down, and then find the block there. And I've clicked on it, and as you can see there's the 3 components in there. So click on the top one and it reveals again the properties for it. So the first thing we do is set up the section name thing. So this page is part of, I think I just called it mental health, so I'll change that to mental health. And then you've got your different pages. So this is page 2, so set this one first. I'll call this dementia support. And at the minute, as you can see by default, they've all got arrows next to them, which obviously wouldn't be the case because there's only ever going to be one that's active. So what I'll do is I'll just go through and just turn off all these because we don't need them all. And we'll just say there's 3 pages in this section. And there's a little a toggle called active next to each one. So you just turn off that one on number 1, turn off active on number 3, leaving the remaining active for number 2 active. So that's obviously telling you that this is the correct current page that the user is on. So let's do we'll call this Alzheimer's support. This one could be, well, no, because it's mental health. It could be, ADHD support. That would be good. So that goes in there, and then, so that's basically, yeah, that's that bit done. Now we can move on to this section. The CTA panel that you might want. This could be, I don't know, important CTAs. You would never call it that, but I'll just pop it in there so you can see what it could be called. Yeah, and so essentially the buttons are nested inside this component. So if you look in the left hand in the layers panel here, if you click on the arrow there, you can see inside there's all the different elements to it, and the ones that have got this little diamond shape next to them, you can see it says instance. That means it's a component. So you can go in, click on that, and you can change that from like primary to secondary or call, whatever you want it to be, email, and all the icons are plumbed in there automatically for you. So yeah, you can do that to any of the buttons, turn things on and off as you need. And then the final section is the external links. You can go in and turn these on and off, add in whatever you want. Dementia help group, and this will populate that for you. So I'll just turn those 2 off. And yeah, that's essentially it for the sidebar. In the next video we will go into the main body content and get into the thick with it all. Yeah, thank you. See you in the next one.